exactly what happens when baddies and baddies link up. I don't only want Venus, I want Serena. Big ass clips of my shakers, can't find my neighbors. Big ass watch like the chain of a flavor. Sorry mama, these pills are for concentration. You the only one that mean it when you say congratulations. If I gotta up this point, I promise I ain't overthinking. Ooh baby, blue faces and BBs, probably the reason why that you couldn't ever.
Cheers. It's up. 2. Hey. Alright, we are at the Licking. Man, where you at, bro?
I'm downstairs.
Man, I'm down. We downstairs. I'm looking for you right now. Still here. Man, them hoe ugly, boy. You got no freaking hoe with you, boy. Nigga. What Austin at? Hey! Let's hear that accent.
Hi guys, my name is Amy Snow. Nice to meet you.
Oh my gosh.
Governor and all that.
This is London, Maserati girl. Look, Maserati.
You're right up in my boat.
Maserati music. Look, we got more people. So they just not gave us the hack on the boats.
I'm not the boat queen.
So tell us.
I used to teach water sports and sell yachts, but she's the boat queen.
It's the boat hack to get more people on the boat.
Oh, so you have to take a water taxi. So you let them go. You let them go.
And,
whatever. And then you get a water taxi. Yeah, I mean, yo.
That's the hardest line lottery.
Hey!
Good time. That's how I step on nigga.
I'm just ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood, ballin', flossing, rolling through my neighborhood.
What's the other joint? What was the other joint we're looking at?
Okay, my will presidential, 10 presidential, money presidential, bitches presidential, everything black, so you know I'm presidential.
He gonna hook up in the front center, and he gonna pull at an angle that way.
Riding through the hood with my top down, she know I like it better when the top down. Niggas hating on me 'cause I'm hot now. No surprise, I know why. It's a lovely day, so I'ma ride the city. Cup full of something to slow down my senses. The designer shoes cost a nice penny. That's $750. We talk Pacifics. That roll gold compliment.
Alright, so we just freaking getting in Miami. Let me tell you what happened, man. Getting in the freaking rental right now. Man, soon as we of course we got a late flight out. We want to take care of some stuff at work before we bust out. So soon as we land, everybody already here. Look, real quick. Welcome to, hold on, let me turn this. Hold on. Alright, so we out here in Miami for the weekend, and we've been booking the trip for weeks out, right? We was going back and forth with Rome forever, talking about this boat we gonna get forever, and it's all kind of enveloped around one person, the birthday boy. Which the birthday boy, we already know, like, this motherfucker can't make a decision for nothing. Save his life. Can't never make a decision and stick with it. So we flying in late. We landing. We the last to land right now. We landing. It's what, about to be 9 o'clock, 9:30. My bad, 9:30. Second, our phone start blowing up. We on the we riding in on the freaking plane. Phone's blowing up. The hotel we was at, man. We gonna cancel the room. We gonna cancel the rooms. Man, this hotel shitty, man. No. and he sends a picture of the front of the door. I don't think he even went in the room. We've been looking at this hotel. We've been taking a while to get everybody in one hotel, 1 block over from Ocean Drive in South Beach, Miami. And all of a sudden, on an impulsive scenario, I don't even know what happened before we landed, but it looked like he just got everybody to freaking cancel their reservations. We had six, seven rooms. Everybody was booked. Same hotel, no problem, no issue, nothing. Look, we got a freaking big ass truck to everybody to get around one spot. Like, dude, everything was planned out, and now everybody's like fucking ants running around right now, man. What's going on? Man, so let's figure out what's going on and get ourselves together. But this is wild, bro. Wild, bro. It's the start of a kickoff of a freaking, we here goddamn one day. Tonight and the whole day tomorrow, and then we back out Sunday. Like, come on, bro. Anyway, get the hell out of this damn garage, and look, we got these little bottles. Hey, I'm about to put my freaking Bluetooth. You got yours up? Yeah. Pop these. I got another bottle in the trunk. We have to go to the liquor store anyway. I got another bottle in my bag too, and we're gonna see what we getting into tonight, man. I don't know what the hell going on. I'm not about to be trucked around with a bunch of indecisive people. This is why the freezer I fucking work, to make money, to enjoy myself. We are headed in. Look, all kind of shenanigans going on right now, man. Look, we had to freaking get a drink right quick because this shit was stressful. So we finally about to make it to South Beach. He my designated driver. Designated.
Drunken motherfucker.
We driving in right now, man. Fuck, look, brother.
I gotta give me something to eat before I eat.
We ain't gonna lie, we need some eat. We ain't
something to eat.
Both of us have eaten nothing. Okay, he ate some chips and I ate some candy. That was the entire meal for our day. And we trying to figure out why the hell we so lit off like a quarter of what we normally, like about a half, no, about a quarter of what we normally drink. About a quarter. We ain't got no food in our system. So making our way in right now, bro. Look, we catch up with y'all in a second. Right with the waste y'all time.
Got sliding glass doors, don't got no doorknobs. I'm in charge, I'm always gonna go with me. Brody got rich off the purse, he 724, show him I'll teach you. Outside of your city. Don't go that way at all, but I love that nigga Benjamin.
Alright, so we done went to the room, checked in, took a shower, and now Josh indecisive ass is out in these streets already. And he telling us to pull up, so we about to be Uber drivers for the meantime.
Oh no.
And we hitting booby trap. But we about to hit booby trap. So we gonna hit booby trap tonight. That's the plan. And wait, hold on. How you gonna? He gonna bring? He bringing some guests? Wait. I ain't paying for no motherfucker.
I ain't paying with shit.
What the fuck? We about to see. We about to see. We about to pull up on Josh and see what the hell going on right now, because this is crazy.
This is.
All the questions, toss a dick, say, fuck out through, come back, hit your bitch, come, yeah, with you, slide through, come back to.
Man, where you at, bro?
I'm downstairs now, see you, okay?
Man, I'm down. We downstairs. I'm looking for you right now.
You in the car yet?
Look, dude. If you walk outside, you'll see us.
Hold on.
This dude here.
Man, I got some gas in the car.
Man, look.
I'm finishing with him.
You finishing a meal?
I said I was finishing with them. I ain't close the time.
Man, them hoe ugly, boy. You ain't got no freaking hoe with you, boy. Hey, yo, you look, the black SUV right here, yo.
I'm coming down.
Where Austin at?
Hey, up here with me. I'm fucking with these hoes. I got 3 of them tonight.
Ugly ass hoe, boy. What you talking about? Keep foot on the brake. You upstairs?
Coming down now.
You gotta pay to get there?
No, it's free.
Alright.
Coming down.
Get your ass. Make sure you come down.
I'm coming down now.
Alright. See this dude right here. See he up in here. He up in here. This dude. Look at pull up on him. Nigga. Where Austin at? This boy here, boy. This boy out here, boy. There you go. I see you, my man. My man, bro. But fuck it, man.
Trying to make something happen.
Hell yeah.
I don't know what it's gonna be.
Hey, booby trap it is, man.
That's the move?
Yeah, booby trap it is, man. We about to migrate, triculate, make it shape.
Man, you look different, bro.
What you mean?
Oh no, I ain't seen you in a while.
A lot of weight loss, About 30, about 30, 28, something like that. Yeah, so it's more.
No, the one you had was the one that was 6 years older, 2010.
Yes, I mean,
2010, that
you
boy
had a
was 23
2016,
years old.
and you had a 2016. Really, Josh? Really?
It was new.
For $1,200 more, and he's gonna do the same thing. That bitch, you did that bitch to float.
And his shit didn't have an upper deck on it though. He had no upper deck. It wasn't no upper deck.
You was the one hollering about, man, I don't want the upper deck. The hose gonna be.
He had no upper deck on that bitch.
It was gonna float. The boat kind of looked just alike.
Who put that on one story like lame ass boat with only a back deck on it? Who put that shit? That was you, Josh? Oh, that was right. That was you, Josh.
No, we had three. We had one.
You put somebody ain't gonna say you. Somebody put a boat, an ugly ass boat. No, that wasn't you. That was you, Roderick.
What?
Could have been Danny.
It could have been Danny.
They
Danny was picking out.
Cause no, you know what? I know it wasn't right. It wasn't Josh because Josh said that's a no. You said that's a no go. It was Josh.
Oh no, I said I was talking about the reviews. I pay attention to the reviews, and this boat looked nice.
Man,
the reviews said a lot of reviews said this wasn't the boat wasn't it.
Man, that boat was ugly as shit, bro. That boat was ugly as hell.
So right now we ain't got nothing. We ain't got nothing. We ain't got shit.
So they got 40% chance of rain.
Wow.
2 o'clock tomorrow.
Whoever
then they go up.
It's gonna go up and down.
How long it been raining? Have it rained since y'all been here?
Shouldn't have.
It had a 77% rain. So what that means? The 40%, Josh.
I'm just saying. We can get the boat, bro. I'm just saying.
I think it's gonna be good. It's 0%.
I think it's gonna be like New Orleans, probably.
To
You know, it rained for them 30 minutes, then it's done.
But I told you it just be scattered thunderstorms.
Austin, is that one with the jet skis still available?
I don't know.
That's the one we need.
That bitch had everything.
That bitch had everything.
And he gonna take us to the fucking.
It's $1,200. I mean, $1,200 more.
$2,800. You said what? $200 more? It was $2,800. But it had 2 jet skis with it. We have 4 hours. How much the boat you say it was?
$1,800.
Man, stop recording so that nigga can look at the road.
Man, he looking at the road, bro.
It was $1,800.
I didn't see one.
Jet skis cost $150. So you get 2 jet skis, how much is it? $300. So
all them hoes I talked to was on the boat today. They all had their boat today.
It's gonna rain tomorrow anyway.
I said it been raining 30 minutes and it was clear.
Hey, I don't doubt it though, bro. That rain don't last down here in the Gulf like that, man. Florida is way south than Louisiana.
We got it for 4 hours.
It's in the tropic. Yeah, that's nothing. That's nothing. It rained in Costa Rica on the boat. Man, we gonna always be to get a boat. Cause everybody else trying to play by ear to play the weather. I'm sure. Ain't just us. All right, we all. They wanted to come check out Booby Trap. So we couldn't cut on what was in there because of what was in there, which didn't really interest me.
I think we brought the shit.
But
Hey, y'all have a safe trip.
we eating. We hungry. Only 2 of us ate the entire day. It wasn't me. It wasn't Roger. So, but everybody hungry. So, y'all don't never close.
Not even a hurricane closes.
Not even a hurricane close. Look, at all. Look, ain't gonna lie. I'm ready to go lay down. I'm tired as hell. I'm hungry. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. All right, y'all. Look, so next morning we couldn't get the footage of booby trap because it had too many inappropriate shenanigans going on, and so Roger originally said booby trap was this strip club slash like a club slash strip club. This mother was a full-fledged strip club, and I mean these bras know how to take money. They know how to get money.
I mean, I would have seen it.
They get it out of me though.
I would have seen the two naked ones though. So
they get it out of me though. I promise you that. Boy, boy, I'm telling you, man. So anyway, we about to link up, try to see right now, you know, what boat we gonna get on. You know what I'm saying? We gotta go coordinate and talk with the captains and all this, whoever we collaborate with, because we trying to rent this yacht today. The weather was supposed to be pouring down. That's why we didn't reserve. And it is clear. It is clear and crystal clear, a beautiful day. So we got to get out in these streets and see what's going on. But in the meantime, y'all already know what it is, man. This shot o'clock. It's about to go up. Got to kick the day off. And look, hey, what a Hennessy bottle? You got the Hennessy bottle too? We got a whole bottle of Hennessy to her. Oh, we about to fuck it up. You didn't open my cup up, man? No. You could have opened.
Oh, yeah, it's cold, too.
You could have.
Cold, boy.
Man, why you get it? Put that. Oh, that's cold, too. I forgot. I was in the fridge. I just took it out. You know what? Did I take it out? I took it out this morning. I'm tripping. I took it out earlier. There we go. But look. Cheers. It's up. 2. Hey. Big shot, god damn, boy. That was a quadruple. That like a third of a cup. Shoot. Hey, how that y'all?
She got that boomerang. That shit make you in it an hour flat. Lost the mind, keep it shit cool. One like a little coach, I'm good enough to eat. Then look pussy, got some tricks. Rip my dick up nearest to my knee. Since she ain't gon'
Alright, we are at the Licking. You can park over here. Josh on the other side. Yeah. Oh shit. We got shots in. Oh shit. You gonna bag right? Alright, so we just finished, huh? Look, so we about to freaking move. Look what stupid. So look, we about to go. Oh, they got him here? I want to try some. I never tried one. A honey pack. Everybody supposed to make you like it's supposed to be like ginseng and junk. Hey look, Austin, they got some cigars right here. I don't know what they got. Big boys too. No, I'm behind me, facing me, man. It's facing me, dude. You the one came on the damn camera anyway, talking to me. God damn. Bro, look, it's all kind of shenanigans going on right now. We just finished eating and stuff. We trying to see where we going. Look, YouTube, y'all ain't tell me I had something on my lip. God damn. I want one. This boy, D Reed will tell you. This boy, D Reed will tell you. He gonna tell it all. We need cups. We do need cups. You gonna get a little cranberry juice or something, a little mixer? Kind of lighten it up a little bit. Hitty. We got Hitty. They got what he got? What they sell here? What he got? He might have something. We in the fucking Fountain Blue. About to meet up with Roderick and them at the freaking pool. Hey, this is how I get to the pool. Yes. Oh, okay. All right. So take the elevator, you say? What floor? All right. walking. Don't even know what the fuck they at. But I'm trying to find them. Hey, appreciate it. Thank you. Hey. Yo. Hey, speak. Let's hear that accent. Let's hear that accent.
Hi guys, my name is Amy Snow. Nice to meet you.
Oh my gosh.
Governor and all that.
This is London, Maserati girl. Look, Maserati.
You're right up in my boat.
Maserati music. Look. Look, look.
Don't get my mustache. I'm joking.
Alright, we are freaking out the fountain. Leaving the fountain blue. We got the freaking yachty yachty pulling up on the other side. It's already docked. So we gotta cross this down street. So look, we gotta cross this down street. We gotta cross it down street. So we got look. They lit, they ready to come on. Look. We got more people. So they just not gave us the hack on the boats.
Are we gonna end up on your YouTube?
Yes. So tell us the hack with the boats.
The hack with the boat.
Tell us the boat, my bad.
Do you know, I'm not the boat queen.
So tell us.
I used to teach water sports and sell yachts, but she's the boat queen.
So tell us the hack, the boat hack. Tell us the boat hack to get more people on the boat.
Oh, so you have to take a water taxi. So you let them go.
You let them go.
And you're gonna walk.
And then you get a water taxi. Yeah, I mean, yo.
Come on. We good. I'm watching for you. Just follow. Look. Stop right here. Stop right here. Now watch this. It's a turn lane right here now. So don't get too far out. So the boat. Talk from behind the camera. Now go ahead since you don't want to be on camera for some, I don't know.
You sound better. I lost my voice.
Yo, where you at?
All right, guys, we're here. Found Blue. We're about to get on the boat.
We're in the middle of the road. Y'all, come on, y'all, right now.
You're in the boat. You're gonna have to go to.
He sound like Quavo. Wow. I'm silly.
Quavo was in the strip club the other night.
Yeah.
We about to we walking to the boat right now. I'm about to talk to Captain about the water tank.
Yes. Looks like a Titanic rescue boat.
Right. Like they put on about maybe about 5 at a time.
There's children and mothers.
Hold on.
Women and
You haven't feel like you're about to put me in the
I would never.
hold on to you like this. Hold on. You know which one it is, also?
She's like, I'm getting on this boat.
And then they called me off the other phone because I ain't respond to the first thing. They called me off another phone.
Back here, this is your phone.
I just talked to right by the bar though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You got the camera running still? Look. Phone down. I gotta edit all this stuff out. Look now. How you doing? Look now. Hey, this little shirt. This is like shenanigans. Look, we gotta get some ass circulating in here, man. How y'all doing?
AC broke. Hi.
AC broke. How you doing? How you doing?
I'm good.
I met you last night. What's up? And we're gonna open all up. We got that. Open this captain window. I can't mess with his window.
Yeah, too many legs.
We gotta get some air circulation. You gotta move. We got, hey,
Josh.
get some air circulating this motherfucker.
You see my time?
Look.
I'm sorry.
You were gonna take long.
Look.
Yeah.
Hey,
Off, you
what?
can put them on the basket, or if you don't want to put them on the basket, just put them somewhere else.
Right,
But you do need to take
Shoes gotta come off. Oh, no problem, no problem. No problem.
Ciroc in it should be Ciroc pineapple. Ciroc pineapple.
Yes, sir.
Gerardo, yo no sé lo del Bluetooth después.
Casamigos.
I drank Hennessy though. I drank Hennessy.
I want to drink the Casamigos.
My man getting in it right here, boy. My guy right here.
Yeah, I'm glad you got the book, man.
It's your spine. Back it up, baby, come and back it up. You make it love, and I got that ratchet tongue. Shorty bad niggas had a thing, one of us. But you let nobody tell you ain't one of one. Nah, nah, nah. Irregular. I go platinum every single time I smack a bud. Before I even hit the age of 21, I knew one day that I would end up blowing up. Pakistan, if they front me going back again.
That's the hardest line lottery.
The what? In the bag right there.
It gotta be something better.
It's in the bag right there. Alright, next. Look, so we got on the drones. We cutting up on the back of their boat over there. Look. Over there, look. On their boat. They turn. And they know it. They know it. They know it. And all about the drone shit.
It's your spine. Back it up, baby, come here, back it up. You back it up,
All that.
every single time I smack a ball.
Wash my food up with that.
I knew one day that I would end up blowing up.
Hey! Yeah.
He just ate my ass, he wanna smell, eat his face.
While I hit the gas down C Street, get the club, a lot of money, baby, we be doing that.
Don't like no bitch, no emotion on fly, my girl, yeah, Tucson, AP, I'm up. Got the hair from rain, even fuck. Nothing on me from sex, ain't nothing in my last room, nice in the hood. Take who chain off, it's not good. Holly and something with the beard. I get the cones with numb in this beard. I got your B on, put on the beard. First young nigga in the 8-2 man with no 14. It's a diamond, the 10 should build that boy, he is not one of them. I kept taking his money, got me.
Them nothing but this cash man. Top bad niggas, pussy top. Them nothing but this cash man. Before me niggas, broke niggas in my face, pussy. No poetry, niggas. Boy, this pussy from the hood. This pussy from the front.
Hey, this is David. You ready? Pray for times like this, the rhyme. I don't say a word, the words on my card, and I got that. Wait a minute,
all the shenanigans.
Man, this ball
Tonight, everybody's so fucked up. Nobody sobered up. And ain't nobody gonna make it out tonight. I'm the only one took my black ass back to the freaking. All right, Jason, my bad. Besides Jason, took my ass back to the freaking hotel. Took a shower. Look, I watered up. I was watering the fuck off the boat.
I don't care about going on.
I watered up before I got off the boat. I hit like 5 bottles of water. About 3 minutes and 2 big bottles.
You know, I got a mission. My mission ain't
Fucking.
My mission is to go to sleep.
Stupid.
I'm tired. Boss.
Oh, this dude here. Austin, you out here too?
But look, I ain't gonna fuck y'all shit
Austin out
up.
here too.
I'm with whatever the gang.
I still pay wherever y'all want to go. I put my part in, but I ain't gotta go. But I'm tired.
I don't know if
What you say, Austin? That's what you work for?
That's what I work for.
I'm gonna work. I ain't gonna fuck y'all.
But nigga, you the fucking vibe though. Then you got these your ass.
I'm gonna go to sleep.
God damn, bro. Y'all boys.
Hey, I'm gonna keep it 100. I pace myself. I'm good. I can probably.
I'm Gucci.
I'm gonna keep it 100. I did not.
I watered the entire day. I was watering.
I said every drink I'm gonna drink water. I forgot about the fucking water.
After the first drink,
he forgot about the water.
It was on that boat. Fuck it.
Oh my gosh, bro. Damn, bro.
Hey, we did good on that boat because we drank all that liquor, bro.
That's crazy.
Most of it. There's a lot of
We
it.
had water. I put the fucking water on the boat. And forgot we had it.
Damn, bro. But they had a. I didn't even know till it was about to get off. They had an ice chest hold full of water. I didn't know that.
Yeah, I missed it too.
Yeah, I know you missed it. I told your ass, and you still missed it. Shoot. All right, damn.